Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one in here, that is about a minus b. We need to create about a square minus b square to cancel about the square root. To create about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one we have like this. Now we simplify s squared and s squared. Next, we divide by s on numerator and denominator. This one we have number 1. S go inside the square root and we have like this. Next, s squared divided by s squared. This one divided by s squared, 1 over s divided by s squared, and we have like this. So we need to consider about this one. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over s. This one we have number 1. So we can simplify into 1 over s. So s approaches to positive infinity. Number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. This one similar for this one in here if we use about L'Hospital in here. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got 0, 0, 0 and 0. And now we have like this. So we calculate about this one and we have 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.